Now that you have your magic ring, we are going to identify the certain parts before we start crocheting into the ring. So over here, right, this is your magic ring. And this is the short yarn tail that will be twined together with the left hand side of your magic ring. So if this actually came off, it's fine, because so long as you crochet these two parts together, it is okay. But if you want to make sure that you are always crocheting them together, you can go ahead and twine them as much as you want, so long as you can identify them as one. And this part here is the loop that goes around your hook, and you are going to adjust the loop size. So just pull to make sure that the loop is just nice wrapping around your hook. It shouldn't be extremely tight nor extremely loose. And lastly, you have your long working yarn over here. It should be on the left hand side, and you'll be holding it like how you prefer to hold. So you can hold it this way or this way. So we can refer back to the previous tutorials on how you can hold the yarn. So now that you are ready, you can start to do your 6 single crochet in the magic ring. So how you are going to handle this magic ring, right, is you are going to use your fingers. So for me, I'm going to use my thumb and my middle finger to cover the bottom half of the magic ring. So look over here, this is your magic ring. I'm covering the bottom half. So only the top part is exposed. And this is where you're going to do your single crochet. So imagine that this hole over here is the same as how you do your single crochet in the rounds for your pouch. Yeah, so I'm going to demonstrate this one first. So after I covered more than bottom half of the magic ring, I'll insert my hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And that is your single crochet in the magic ring. So I'm going to demonstrate over here. So you have your pouch over here. So I'll go into the stitch. I'll yarn over and pull through the stitch. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So over here it's actually more structured because you have a stitch to poke into. Whereas for the magic ring, it can be a little bit wobbly and difficult to manage. So you just have to imagine that that is your magic ring, that is your stitch in your pouch, so that it'll be easier to manage. So now I'm going to continue and make the 6 single crochet in the magic ring. So far I've already done 1. I'm going to do another 5 more. So make sure to cover up part of the ring. Insert your hook into the magic ring. Yarn over and pull through the magic ring. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Insert your hook into the magic ring. Yarn over and pull through the ring. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So repeat this all the way until you have made 6 of them. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make sure to count your V's after every round, because we have to make sure that the stitches are correct before we can proceed to the next round. So once you are done with the 6 single crochet in the magic ring, we will now place the stitch marker into your last stitch. So how to identify your last stitch? That was the very last one you have done. So don't mistake this as a V. This is not, as this is still adjustable, and this is where your hook is. So therefore the last V is here, and you're going to fit your stitch marker underneath the V and lock it up. Okay, so now you have done 6 single crochet in the magic ring. we have finished round 1. We are going to pull onto this short tail to close up the ring. So make sure that your hook is still on and you're holding on to the side of your hook to prevent and don't pull a long yarn, otherwise you'll undo everything. So hold on to the short tail and pull, and now you have the magic ring. 6 single crochet in the magic ring, done. So round 1 is completed.